Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to learn that how we can create a server action in Odoo. I have different modules installed here. This is Odoo 14 community version. So let's go to the CRM module and let's say that I want to create a server action for leads to mark them as one. So I want my server action to be available here in the action menu, and when I click that action I want it to mark certain leads as one. Let's go to my IDE PyCharm and create a new file. So basically I am going to create a method in Python that will be used by the server action to mark certain leads as one. In order to do that, we would have to inherit the CRM lead class and create a function, our custom function, which will be used to mark the leads as one. You can use any function or any code. This is just for an example. So let's create a function, and it will be in our inherited class named CRM lead. So let's give a name to our function. Let's say mark leads as one, and in this specific function I will write the code, a simple code to mark the leads as to write the stage of the leads, requested leads, as one. Let's get the stage by the name one. As you can see, the name of the stage is one, so I will use the exact same name, and we will limit the search to one record only, because we know that the stage named one is only one in the database. So whatever leads we will pass to this function will be updated with the stage 1. The name of the field is stage ID, and we will write it the one stage. Now once our Python function is ready, we will create a server action which will use this specific function. Let's first include our CRM lead inherited class file in the init file, and as we are using the CRM module, so we will include the CRM dependency in our manifest file. Once the Python function is ready, we will go on and create a server action. So I'm going to create an XML file named server action, and let's create our server action. So I'm going to give any unique ID here to this record. And the model that we use for the server actions is ir.actions.server. Now let's set up different fields that we are going to include in this server action. Let's give a name to our server action, that would be mark as one. Now we have to give the model ID to our server actions to tell our server action that which model this specific action is related to. In our case it will be CRM, and the model will be CRM lead, and same for the binding model. Next we have to give the binding view types. This can be form or list. So if we specify form only, the specific action will be available only on the form view, and if we specify both form and list, this specific action will be available in both of the views. Next, we will specify the behavior this server action is going to use, and in our case it will be code, that will be Python code, so it will execute the Python code once we click on this server action. And then finally we will specify the Python code, which we already defined in our Python file, and that's it. The server action is ready. Now we will add the specific server action file in our manifest. And that's it. Let's start our Odoo server, install or update our module, and let's check our server action. So I have a demo module where I have done all of this code. I will install the module. Alright, the module is installed. Let's go to the CRM and open any lead, and as you can see in the action, there is a server action called mark as on, and when I click this action it will mark our lead as one. So we can perform any specific function through this, and if I select multiple leads I can mark them as one as well. And that's how we can perform simpler to complex any kind of task using server actions. And that's it. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.